Is 392 a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. So we have this number 392. We don't know whether this is a perfect cube. So if this is not a perfect cube, we have to multiply this number by a smallest natural number so that the product we get is actually a perfect cube. So what's the method to find whether it is a perfect cube or not? The method is prime factorization method. So this is 392. Let's express this 392 in terms of its prime factors. This is 2, so 2, 1, 2, 9, and 2, 6, 2, yes. Then you have 2, 9, 18, 2, 8, 16. Then you have 2, 4, 8, 2, 9, 8. Then you have this 7. And then you have this 7. Okay. So 392 when expressed in its prime factors, in the form of its prime factors, is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Clearly we have two prime factors, 2 and 7, but we know that if a number is a perfect cube, then its prime factors have to be present 3 times. Each prime factor has to be 3 times. So here we have 2 3 times, but 7 is only 2 times. Okay, so in order to make this 7 3 times, if you multiply this with 7, okay, but since you are multiplying this right hand side of this equation by 7, you'll have to multiply this side also by 7, right? So this becomes 7 times 2 is 14, and 7 9 63 64 and 6, so 7 3 21 and 27. This is the number that will become, now it's a perfect cube. And what is the smallest natural number? That is 7. You will multiply 7 to 392. This is the product which is now a perfect cube. Here we have, is 68,600 a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest natural number by which 68,600 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Same question, only we have different number here. So this is 68,600, and let's express it in the form of its prime factors. So 236, 248, 236, 0. And you have 212, 27, 14, 212, 7, 14, then 212, 25, 10, and 20. Then you have 28, 16, 25, 10, 27, 14, 25. Now here 8, 5, 13, 20, 20. It's not divisible by 3 because adding digits you get a number that is not divisible by 3. So divided by 5. 5, 1, 5, 7, 35, 5, 1, 5, 5, 25. Then you have 5, 5, 3, 15, 5, 4, 20. 5, 5, 25, 5, 3, 15, 5, 4, 20, yes. Then you have 5. So 5, here it goes. Sorry, it should be 5, 3, 15, 5, 4, 20, and 5, 3, 15. Okay, so now this is 7. And 7, 4, 28, 7, 9, 63, you get 7, 7. Now you have 7, 1, 7. So 68,600 when expressed in its prime factors form is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Okay, since we have 3 prime factors but only 2 and 7 are present 3 times each, 5 is not present 3 times. So in order to make it 3 times, what we'll do, we'll multiply by 5. Now it is 3 times, so you'll have to multiply this side also by 5. Okay, now it's a perfect cube. And what's that smallest natural number? That smallest natural number by which you will multiply 68,600 is 5. But what's the now new product that is actually perfect cube? So 5 0 5 0 5 6 33 5 8 40 and 43 and 4 5 6 30 and 34 0 0 33 5 8 40 43 and 4 5 6 30 34. Yes, this is the product that is a perfect cube.